Alright, so I got my microwave installed today. I installed it myself. I had some help from my brother-in-law. He helped me out. This is what it looked like. I didn't get to do a video of installing it. I was going to do a video, but after we got it installed, it was a bit heavy. I wanted to take it back out and do another install on video, but it's pretty heavy. So once I got it into position, I didn't feel like messing with it anymore. So here you can just see, I need to attach that receptacle box, obviously, to there. I attached it to an IKEA cabinet. As you can see, this is the IKEA cabinet. I didn't put the front face on yet, so I can run the wire and stuff like that. Here's the exhaust at the top of the unit, as you can see. Damper, but yeah, there's the exhaust and the damper. So that's going to go up into there. I got to attach all that, put elbows on that. This originally only came with 2 back brackets, right there and right there, but I added 2 more. Just because of the weight of the microwave is pretty heavy. This isn't a light microwave at all. Very heavy compared to the other ones. So I put I put 2 extra ones over here, and then I screwed them in. I screwed that one to the beam, and that one I couldn't get into the beam, so I did the bottom of it just to hold it. Just for more security and more weight, you know what I mean? Because like I said, this is very heavy, this whirlpool thing we got going on over here. So here's the setup right here. Here's what it looks like. It does light up when you press it, see? Convection, all that other stuff works fine. Hit that again. Let me show you what the light looks like. Here it is right here with the light on. There's with the light on. That's what the light looks like underneath. It's not an LED light, so maybe you can get a adapter to change it out. Grease traps I had to install myself. Those are the grease traps. What's up?
She just had to come down and see that.
Oh. So, yeah, this is the outside of it. This is the inside of it.
Big. It's a big microwave.
Yeah, same size as yours.
I guess it just looks.
It just looks bigger because the buttons are on the bottom.
It's a little bit low,
yeah.
Too.
So. Yeah, so that's how we got it installed. And then I added wood behind there. There's the bracket you could see on the bottom. I put that into the beam in 3 different places on the bottom there. If you're not able to use, to get into the beam, then you have to use toggle bolts, as they say in the instruction manual. And here's the instruction manual right here for using it. And that's it. That's the Whirlpool microwave / convection oven combination hood that I got. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.